We are students in Miss Garcia's class. Por favor, póngase de pie para la promesa de lealtad.
Sorry.
Promete lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios indivisible con libertad y justicia para todos. And now, the pledge to the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Por favor, permanezca de pie por un momento de silencio. Gracias. Pueden tomar asiento.
All right, another round of applause for our morning announcers. Okay, boys and girls, everybody listen up. We have a lot of recognition today, but we're starting off with Down Syndrome Awareness Month for Down syndrome awareness. All right, and moving on, we have an ID profile spotlight. Jose Luis Flores. Jose Luis is very positive, and he tells his peers that everything is going to be okay, for them to just listen, and that everything is going to be okay because everybody's here to help us learn. Is that right, Jose Luis? Is there anything you want to say? No? Well, he is a principled and very caring pioneer. So let's give Jose Luis a round of applause.
Yay, Jose!
We also have Brian signing up for drawing. Come on now, Brian. See, we have a lot of balanced pioneers. They get it done in school academically, and then outside of school they participate in extracurricular activities. It seems Brian played in a tournament, and they selected him as MVP. Is there anything you want to say to Brian? It feels great. And you know, Mr. Gallo, guys, you know that I'm always going to ask you, because we have great communication skills that we try to develop. And what a better opportunity than in front of the whole school. So, it felt good. Anything else? All right, well, he worked hard. He showed
Cosita, good job, Ryan.
in school and out of school. Round of applause for Ryan. And then we have Skylar. Where's Skylar Flores? There she is. So Skylar is acting in a short little horror film, which is still editing, so it's not out yet. And she's also been in a few commercials. So Skylar, is there anything you want to say?
It's super fun, and I love doing acting because I get to meet so many new people, and it's also because I used to not like scary movies, but now I do because I know what it's like behind the scenes. And you have to do it too.
Excellent. She knows, just in the script, it's not really real, guys. So a round of applause for Skylar. And we have our 6 weeks music awards. So Miss D is coming up to give us more information about that. All right, I'm so excited to come and present our music awards. For this 6 weeks, we focus on being principled and caring. And these are the students that received the music award. We're going to welcome them to the front. In kinder, the award went to Zachary Quintero and Haley Chong. Let's give them a round of applause. And Haley, you're here. In first grade, our music award went to Aranza Cancún, Andrew Chavez, and Benjamin Garza. Let's give them a round of applause. In second grade, our music award went to Isabella Vargas and Luis Alberto Sanchez. And in third grade, our music award went to Viviana Guerrero and Javier Guerra. Let's give them a round of applause. Fourth grade, our music award went to Noah Flores and Abigail Gutierrez. And finally, in fifth grade, our music award went to Austin Alcantara, Lucas Rodriguez, and Miranda Barrera. And I'm so proud of these pioneers. Every single week they come, they try their best, they're caring, they're making sure that we are all participating, and they do it with the best attitude and always being principled. Let's give them one last round Wow.
Check out Samuel's words. 1,016,028 words. And we're only up to the third. Way to go, Samuel! Woo! Then we have Ruth Martinez from Greater Garcia. And I also updated his word total. Check out this number.
Wow.
1,297,906 words. Fabulous! And then we have Levi L, the Great Release Keith Sodas. Come on, Levi. And his word count is rocking also. 691,976 words. And of course, not to be outdone, let's play out. Fourth grade Mississippi. And her total is now 723,836 words. Woo! Did you hear those word counts? That is amazing. That means they are readers and they're learning and they're building their vocabulary. So as they're learning those words and growing, that helps in all subject areas. So fabulous. Way to go, pioneers.
Congratulations! We already have so many kids who sent you up already. So now the challenge is on, boys and girls. Let's give them another round of applause as they take their seats.
Rock those nice shirts down.
All right, so what's next? I told you guys AR was coming back to Friday Assembly. We let the first 6 weeks go. So what we have today is our AR grade level summaries for the first 6 weeks. So we have a fantastic start to our reading, and we're going to do it one grade level at a time. So these are the summaries. You saw how many words just these few students have. You're going to be wowed by what we have. Let's look at first grade. As a total, all first grade, 248 points, 208,000 words. Ms. Gutierrez's class with 116 points and 123,000 words. Ms. Gutierrez's class, wave your hands in the air, because you really do care about reading. Is super important because while you need to read, the most important thing is that you need to understand what you read. You need to comprehend. So we look at a class average. Your class average should be 90% or more. And we have second grade. Where's Miss Gutierrez's class second grade? There you are. You guys had 93% as a class average. And so that's important because they're not only reading, they're understanding what they're reading. In third grade, Miss DLT's class, 90%. Wave your hands in the air, guys. 90%. And Miss D. Lopez's class, 91%. Let me tell you, in third grade, for the points and the words, it was very close between Miss DLT and Miss Lopez's class. So good job. And one more thing. Everybody should be reading and testing. Everybody can read and test. So we have some classes with 100% participation. So we actually, there are more than that. I didn't put them in there. Oh no, there are more than that. We had many classes with 100% participation, and I will update those for Monday's morning announcements because we really do need to recognize that. So I apologize it's not up there, but we did have, I know there was a grade level where all of them had 100%, and that was first grade. Where's first grade? We didn't have first grade. Every single first grader read and AR tested. Every single first grader, and that's what we want. That's the challenge
Estaciones magníficas que rodaron el jardín, almacenes y cumpleaños que los cantamos aquí. Despierta, mi bien, despierta, mi viaje amaneció. Todos
We hope everybody is having or will have a beautiful birthday. Another round of applause as our birthday pioneers take their seats.
You okay?
Yeah, my shoe fell off.
All right.
And now it's time for our Pioneers Spotlight. Pioneers Alpha Spotlight. It is Miss Garcia's 4th grade class. All right, everybody. Everybody on the bottom. Everybody on the bottom. We have some pioneers that we are spotlighting. We want to show respect as the accent. Parents in the back, y'all can join us. So who's joining us? 1 and 2. today